So in this video, you learn how to write code for free in Visual Studio Code. So VS Code is a free code editor from Microsoft, and we'll be using KiloCode. And KiloCode helps you generate code, explain code, fix errors, refactor projects, and build application faster with AI direct inside VS Code. So I'll leave a link to download VS Code in the description since you need it to follow along. So you learn how to install KiloCode, set it up, and start write code for free in VS Code. So on the left side, click Extensions, and here at the search bar, search KiloCode. So click it and click on the install button. So currently it's under 1.2 million downloads. So click install, click trust publisher and install. So wait for the extension to be installed. So KiloCode has been successfully installed here and here. So let's click open KiloCode. Let's close. So let's move the chart to the secondary side. So right click, and from here move to secondary sidebar. So we can have KiloCode on this side. So let's create our first project. So click File, click New File. So let's create our first project. So click Open Folder. So from here, I want my folder to be located on desktop. So click Desktop. And from here, let me create a folder. So I'll right click. So click New, click Folder, and let's call it Web Code, and select the folder. So here is our folder. So next, so for KiloCode to work, you need to create a profile. So click the profile icon. From here, click Login with KiloCode. Click it. So sign in options, I'll continue with Google. Select my Gmail account. Continue. And it's creating my account. So you can skip. So from here, you can click Authorize. So authorization successful. You can close this tab now, and let's head back to VS Code. So I can log out, or let me close here. So let's start using KiloCode in VS Code. So let's use a free model. So click free, and you can see the free models as well as paid models. So currently I'll be using the StepFun Step 3 3.7 Flash. So I'll select it. So let's first have a plan. So click code. So from here, I'll click plan. So build me an agribusiness website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and press enter. So it's considering next steps. From here, we'll start having the plan generated for us. So it's generating. And considering the next steps, so I have to select an option. So what's the primary focus of the agribusiness? So I'll click farm produce sales. I'll select it and click next. Who's the target audience? So the local customers. Do you have existing branding names? So no, use placeholders. How do you plan to use this website? So I select local only and click submit. So give it time. So you can see even the files have started being created. So KiloCode has completed the agribusiness website with HTML. So you can see open HTML file in any browser. So I'll just minimize VS Code. So head where my folder I created. So in my desktop. So from here, this is index. Double click. And you can see that our website has already been created with KiloCode. You can see how it looks, all with the help of KiloCode. And you can see even it's responsive. About section, contacts, and even the cards. So that's basically how to use KiloCode in VS Code. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.